Hello, welcome to RC Video Reviews. This week we've got a really busy week with FMS, who's sponsoring a beginner plane series. We're going to have a whole bunch of first look videos. We're going to have a whole bunch of flight videos. We're going to check out a whole bunch of airplanes that are from the FMS beginner series, including this cool little Skytrainer 182. In addition to the airplanes, FMS has also got a bunch of merch that we'll be showing off. We've got an FMS airplane cover. Got an FMS airplane stand. That thing is kind of cool. It's red anodized, very nice. And navigation lights. These are blinky navigation lights. They have different patterns on them. We're going to take a look at those. And then we'll wind up taking a look at the SM600 simulator, and I'll show you how to install the free simulator software and use the SM600 to fly it. At the end of this series, there's going to be a huge live stream with a whole bunch of giveaways. We're giving away airplanes. We've got coupon codes, merchandise. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you know when that live stream hits the channel. Thanks to FMS for sponsoring this beginner series. I look forward to getting it knocked out.